Hi, my name is Joseph Stockton, a senior studying computer science here at the University of Michigan, and I wanted to demo for you the Overleaf LaTeX document editor. In many classes I've taken so far at the university, a variety of professors have recommended for the class to use a PDF creator tool called LaTeX. And most students in the class decide not to use it. They decide that it's too difficult to pick up and learn some additional tool just to help them do their homework, which they can do on pen and paper, and then just scan into the computer. So I wanted to show just how easy it is to pick the tool up and use it, how beneficial it is to use, and then in addition, I wanted to show the tool, my favorite tool, which is Overleaf, for creating these documents. So I'll go ahead and pull up my Overleaf page. This is the home page, and I'll go ahead and navigate to my projects. So here is a list of all of the projects that I've worked on for the past couple of years. Overleaf works in a very similar way that Google Drive works, where it's an online tool to edit documents, except instead of, say, an Excel file or something along those lines, we are working with LaTeX files. So I'll go ahead and launch a new project, and there are a bunch of different templates that you can use here. I'm going to work on a homework assignment, and I'll choose this blank homework template. It doesn't really matter which one I choose. I'm planning on only using this header and footer part of the template. So I'll go in here, update this to my name, and you'll see on the right hand side it will preview for us the PDF document that the code on the left hand side is creating. This is my favorite part of the Overleaf tool. If you were to use some local program on your computer to create the LaTeX document, you would be just typing in any text editor your LaTeX code, and then you'd have to run a program to generate the output. With Overleaf, you get to see a live updating preview of what you're coding on the left-hand side, making it much easier to make rapid progress. So I'm working on a homework assignment, and I need a numbered list. I look up here at the top bar, and that looks like a numbered list. So I hover over it, it says Insert Number List. Sure. I click on it, and we get these three lines: begin enumerate, end enumerate, and item. Cool. And then over on the right-hand side, as soon as this refreshing preview is finished, we should see an update, and there it is, 1. Cool. So now I'm working on my homework assignment. I've got my number 1, and I look over at my book, and I see the problem, work a solution out on paper, and now I want to type that answer in here. Now, let's say we're working on a math assignment, and the answer to this problem is some complicated sum. I don't know how to make a sigma and all of that stuff, so one of the cool things about LaTeX is how well documented it is. So I'll go ahead and navigate over to the wiki book for LaTeX and scroll down. I'm looking for math text. As you can see, there's a tremendous number of things that you can look up and get documentation for, including layout, color, a variety of different technical texts. And here I see mathematics. So I click on that, and I get a very long document about all of the different mathematical things that you can add to a LaTeX document. But I'm interested in a sum, so I see section number 8 is sums and integrals, so I click on that, and I go, hey, that looks like exactly what I want. So I select it, copy it, then I come over here and paste it in. And then I expect it to update on the right-hand side, so I'll give it a moment, and this is another thing that's super useful about Overleaf, is it tells you exactly what's wrong. So I go, this didn't work, I wonder why, missing a $sign inserted. So it looks like all I need to do is insert a $sign and it'll work. And there we go. We've got our sum over there on the right. So now we can go, hit enter, type another item, and voila, we're going on our homework. So I'll pull up a quick example of what a full document can look like. This was one of my crypto assignments from last year, and as you can see, you can create some really well formatted documents that contain a lot of complicated symbols that would be very difficult to type in some text editor such as Google Drive or Microsoft Word or something like that. So I hope that this demo has been useful for you, and maybe you'll try it out sometime and create some beautiful PDF documents. Thanks.